Cricket game Pakistan vs England. Second test live match update. Second test, Day 1 Lords, London Pakistan won the toss and chose to bowl first. England lead the three-match series 1-0. Red Circle latest match situation. England 248/9 overs. 56 play was stopped due to bad light. Gus Atkinson, 34. Josh Tongue, 1*. England were in serious trouble at 84, but important contributions from Jordan Cox and Jamie Smith helped the hosts recover. Cricket game top England batting scores. Jamie Smith, 61. Jordan Cox, 55. Gus Atkinson, 34*. Ben Duckett, 17. Dan Lawrence, 17. Harry Brook, 15. Jofra Archer, 14. Emilio Gay, 8. Joe Root, 4. Fire Pakistan bowling, wickets taken. Mohammad Abbas, 4 wickets. Ben Duckett. Emilio Gay. Joe Root. Jofra Archer. Mohammad Ali, 2 wickets. Harry Brook. Jamie Smith. Pakistan's bowling attack has dominated Day 1, with Abbas producing the standout spell. Pakistan playing Zai. Imam-ul Haq. Azana Wise. Shan Masood. Abdullah Shafiq. Babar Azam C. Saud Shakil. Mohammad Rizwan WK. Khurram Shahzad. Ali Usman. Mohammad Abbas. Mohammad Ali. Black Flag England playing Zai. Emilio Gay. Ben Duckett. Jordan Cox. Joe Root C. Harry Brook. Dan Lawrence. Jamie Smith WK. Gus Atkinson. Jofra Archer. Ollie Robinson. Josh Tongue. High voltage match highlight. Pakistan have dominated the bowling battle at Lords. Mohammad Abbas has taken 4 crucial wickets, while England's middle order fought back through Jamie Smith and Jordan Cox. England are currently 248/9, with only 1 wicket remaining. Live score note. This update reflects the latest reliable score available from the live coverage at the time of checking, so the score may change as soon as play resumes.